Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Psychology of Learning Week 10 Assignment 10. So the first question is the DASH model for new normal in education has been designed by many educational institutions. So these are the options: pedagogical, readiness, instructional, systematic. So let's check the answer of our first question. So question first, the readiness model for new normal in education had been designed by many educational institutions. So the answer of our first question is B. Now the second question is the most critical factor that plays a significant role in the success of any remote learning program is the dash. So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our second question. So question second, learners readiness, the most critical factor that plays a significant role in the success of any remote learning program is the readiness of the participants. So the answer of our second question is B. Now, the third question is the typical picture of a teacher being a dash of knowledge to the student has been replaced. So, these are the options: absorber, collector, exploiter, dispenser. So, let's check the answer of our third question. So, question third, the typical picture of a teacher being a dispenser of knowledge to the students has been replaced by that of a facilitator only available to guide the learning process. So, the answer of our third question is D, dispenser. Now, the fourth question is what does today's teacher need to be successful in the classroom? So, these are the options: digital skills, life skills, communication skills, all of the above. So, let's check the answer of our fourth question. So, question fourth, what does today's teacher need to be successful in the classroom? Teaching skills, digital skills. So the answer of our fourth question is D, all of the above. Now the fifth question is students who consider intelligence as a dash entity tends to focus on their goal despite obstacle. So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our fifth question. So question fifth, students who consider intelligence as a malleable entity tends to focus on their goal despite obstacles. So the answer of our fifth question is A, malleable. Now the sixth question is does feedback to students is important for learning? So these are the options: clear, explanatory, timely, all of the above. So let's check the answer of our sixth question. So question sixth, principle six, clear, explanatory, and timely feedback to students is important for learning. So the answer of our sixth question is D. Now, the seventh question is students tends to enjoy learning and have better outcomes when their motivation is more intrinsic than extrinsic. False or true? So let's check the answer of our seventh question. So question seventh, a student tends to enjoy learning and have better outcomes when their motivation is more intrinsic than extrinsic. So the answer of our seventh question is B. True. Now the eighth question is long-term goals are also called dash goals. So these are the options: non-urgent, principal, proximal, distal. So let's check the answer of our eighth question. So question eight, then long-term, distal, general, and challenging objectives. So the answer of our eighth question is D, distal. Now the ninth question is which of the following is an example of a reward? So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our ninth question. So question ninth, a reward may be social such as clapping or tangible such as giving an exercise book, money, etc. That can strengthen the desirable behaviors among learners students. So the answer of our ninth question is D, all of the above. Now the 10th question is dash is a teaching approach that generates feedback students can use to improve their performance. So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our 10th question. So question 10th, assessment for learning AFL is a teaching approach that generates feedback students can use to improve their performance. So the answer of our 10th question is D. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.